The secret ingredient in your smoothie that boosts immunity. Hey there, health enthusiasts. Today, we're about to unveil a game-changing secret ingredient that will take your smoothie game to the next level and supercharge your immunity like never before. Get ready to be amazed as we introduce a surprising addition to your daily routine that will leave you feeling invincible. Stay tuned as we share inspiring success stories and testimonials in this video. In this video, we're going to dive deep into the world of health and wellness, exploring how simple yet powerful health tips can make a significant impact on your overall well-being. By incorporating this secret ingredient into your smoothie, you'll be giving your immune system the boost it needs to keep you feeling your best. What makes this secret ingredient so special is its practicality and versatility. It's easily accessible, affordable, and can be seamlessly integrated into your daily routine without any hassle. Plus, the benefits it offers in terms of immunity enhancement are truly remarkable. So, get ready to be captivated as we reveal the secret ingredient that will revolutionize your smoothie game and elevate your health to new heights. Stay tuned for an engaging and informative video that will leave you eager to learn more about this incredible addition to your daily diet. Let's dive in and unlock the power of this immunity-boosting secret ingredient together.
While we carry on, please consider subscribing to our channel if you found this video to be informative and beneficial. Thank you.
The secret ingredient unveiled. Today, we're finally unveiling the secret ingredient that will take your smoothie game to the next level and boost your immunity like never before. Get ready to discover the incredible benefits of this powerhouse ingredient and learn how it can transform your health and well-being with just a simple addition to your daily routine. So, what is this magical ingredient? Drumroll, please. It's none other than the mighty elderberry. Packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, elderberries are known for their immune-boosting properties and ability to fight off colds, flu, and other illnesses. By incorporating elderberries into your smoothies, you'll be giving your immune system the support it needs to stay strong and resilient. But that's not all. Elderberries also offer a range of other health benefits, including reducing inflammation, improving heart health, and supporting digestive health. With its rich nutritional profile, elderberry is truly a superfood that can enhance your overall well-being in numerous ways. To incorporate elderberries into your daily smoothies, you can use fresh or dried elderberries, elderberry syrup, or elderberry powder. Simply add a spoonful of elderberries to your favorite smoothie recipe and blend it up for a delicious and nutritious boost. Whether you're looking to ward off illness or simply improve your health, elderberries are a must-have ingredient for your smoothie arsenal. Scientific backing. Let's delve into the scientific evidence that supports the immunity-boosting effects of the secret ingredient we've been raving about, elderberries. Numerous studies and research have validated the health benefits of elderberries, shedding light on the mechanisms through which this powerful ingredient enhances immunity and overall health. One study published in the Journal of Functional Foods found that elderberries contain high levels of antioxidants, particularly flavonoids like quercetin and anthocyanins, which play a key role in boosting the immune system. These compounds help to reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, and enhance immune cell function, ultimately strengthening the body's defenses against infections and illnesses. Another study published in the Journal of Nutrition and Metabolism highlighted the antiviral properties of elderberries, showing that they can inhibit the replication of viruses and reduce the severity and duration of cold and flu symptoms. This antiviral activity is attributed to the presence of compounds like cyanidin, 3-glucoside, which help to block viral entry into cells and inhibit viral replication. Addressing potential concerns or misconceptions, some people may worry about the safety of consuming elderberries raw due to their cyanide content. However, the cyanide levels in elderberries are minimal and pose no risk when consumed in moderation. By following recommended guidelines for elderberry consumption, you can safely enjoy the immunity-boosting benefits of this remarkable ingredient. Testimonials and success stories. Get ready to be inspired by real-life testimonials and success stories from individuals who have experienced a remarkable improvement in their immunity after incorporating the secret ingredient, elderberries, into their daily routine. These personal anecdotes showcase the transformative power of this incredible ingredient and highlight the positive impact it can have on your health and well-being. Meet Sarah, a busy working mom who struggled with frequent colds and flu until she started adding elderberries to her morning smoothies. Within weeks, Sarah noticed a significant decrease in her sick days and felt more energized and resilient than ever before. She credits elderberries for giving her immune system the boost it needed to keep up with her hectic lifestyle. And then there's John, a fitness enthusiast who used to struggle with seasonal allergies and respiratory issues. After incorporating elderberries into his post-workout smoothies, John noticed a dramatic improvement in his symptoms and was able to breathe easier during his workouts. He now swears by elderberries as a key component of his daily health regimen. By showcasing these before and after scenarios, we can see firsthand the effectiveness of elderberries in enhancing immunity and overall health. These success stories serve as a reminder that simple dietary changes can make a significant difference in our well-being. So, if you're looking to boost your immunity and feel your best, consider giving elderberries a try and experience the benefits for yourself. Incorporating the secret ingredient. Ready to elevate your smoothie game and boost your immunity with the secret ingredient, elderberries? Let's explore some practical tips and delicious recipes to help you seamlessly incorporate this powerhouse ingredient into your daily smoothies. Get ready to experience a burst of flavor and a surge of health benefits with these creative and easy-to-follow recipes. 1. Elderberry Citrus Bliss. Blend fresh elderberries, orange juice, Greek yogurt, and a splash of honey for a zesty and refreshing smoothie that will kickstart your day with a burst of immunity-boosting goodness. 2. Berry Blast Smoothie. Mix frozen elderberries, mixed berries, spinach, almond milk, and a scoop of protein powder for a nutrient-packed smoothie that will keep you feeling full and energized throughout the morning. 3. Tropical Elderflower Delight. Combine elderberry syrup, pineapple chunks, coconut milk, and a handful of kale for a tropical-inspired smoothie that will transport you to a sunny paradise while fortifying your immune system. These recipes are just a starting point. Feel free to experiment with different combinations and variations to suit your taste preferences and dietary needs. So, grab your blender and get ready to sip your way to better health with these delicious elderberry smoothie recipes. Benefits beyond immunity. While the secret ingredient, elderberries, is renowned for its powerful immunity-boosting properties, its benefits extend far beyond just strengthening your body's defenses. Let's dive into the additional health benefits of elderberries that contribute to overall well-being and vitality, making them a must-have ingredient in your daily diet. 1. Rich in antioxidants. Elderberries are packed with antioxidants that help combat oxidative stress, reduce inflammation, and protect cells from damage. These antioxidants play a crucial role in promoting healthy aging, supporting skin health, and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. 2. Nutrient-dense. Elderberries are a nutritional powerhouse, containing vitamins A, C, and B6, as well as minerals like potassium, iron, and calcium. These essential nutrients support various aspects of health, including bone strength, heart health, and cognitive function. 3. Digestive support. Elderberries are known for their digestive benefits, thanks to their fiber content and natural laxative properties. Incorporating elderberries into your diet can help promote healthy digestion, alleviate constipation, and support gut health. By considering the holistic benefits of elderberries beyond just immunity, you can enhance your overall health and well-being in numerous ways. Whether you're looking to boost your energy levels, support your digestive system, or promote healthy aging, elderberries offer a wide range of benefits that can positively impact various aspects of your health. So, why not add a dose of elderberries to your daily routine and experience the transformative power of this incredible ingredient for yourself? Elderberries are not just a trendy superfood, they are a nutritional powerhouse packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that support various aspects of health, from immune function to digestive health and beyond. By adding elderberries to your smoothies, you're not only boosting your immunity but also nourishing your body with essential nutrients that promote vitality and longevity. Now, it's time for you to take action and experience the transformative power of elderberries for yourself. Try out the delicious recipes we've shared, experiment with different combinations, and feel the benefits of this incredible ingredient firsthand. Your health and well-being deserve the best, and elderberries are here to help you thrive. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health tips, recipes, and wellness content. Like this video if you found it informative, and share it with your friends.